All right, so if you did not know, there is a secret portal that Canva has put on their homepage for the first 1 million users who discover the secret portal. And it's going to give you an upgrade to the UI that creates a new user experience. And if you're the part of the first 1 million to discover this secret portal, then you will be in for early access. So here is where the secret portal is actually located. So if you go to your home page, right, if you go to your Canva home page, you click your For You, but you click it a few times. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there we go. Then you just hit turn it on. And you get this nice animation thing going on. And there it is. And you will come into the new Canva UI experience. All right, and so now that we are here, we can explore around a little bit. So let's click see what's new. All right, and so you can watch this full thing here. If you click this button, you can watch the entire video to see everything that's new in the new Canva UI. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to go through it completely. You can definitely do that on your own, but just explore around, see all the different capabilities, see where things have moved to, and just explore the new UI. If you try to do this secret portal and you get a message that says, you know, you're too late or something like that, just come back to the page and try it again. That is actually what I did, because I got that error message at first that you see here, but then I just came back, tried it again, and it worked. So I don't know. Hope it works for you. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments.